everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add landscape gloss on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps, and if you wanna add landscape gloss effect, so you just click on the effect at the bottom. In here, you just click on it, and after this, you can click on a video effect. And at the menu you can click on a basic, click on it, and then in here you can swipe down until you can see a landscape close. This is the landscape close effect, so you just click on it, and after this you can click check icon in here and finish. So that's how to add landscape close effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.